All right, Summit Hill Campground. This is where we just spent the past 2 nights, and we're getting up this morning kind of early and leaving. Not too bad of a place, really. They let us stay here for nothing. Thank you.
Hey.
That was it. That's Debbie. She's wishing us good luck on our travels. Thank you for everything. And here we go. Down the road. Bye.
See ya.
I'm not ready to say bye. This is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna go down. We're gonna hit this main route down here. It's like a mile away or something. And then I don't know. I think we'll find refuge in
Connecticut, hopefully.
Connecticut. We'll make it to Connecticut probably today. If we don't, we don't. If we do, we're gonna probably. All right.
What time is it?
Let's go, guys.